Hello guys, today I want to show you how I grow my aloe vera and garlic just in front of my door. Here you can see this is my aloe vera. I've planted this aloe vera for a couple of weeks or months, let me say probably 2 or 3 months now. I've planted this aloe vera, and few weeks ago I planted my ginger as well. So I will show you the ginger. The ginger is germinating gradually, so let me show you. This is the ginger, you can see. Let me take it off and see. Can you see the body? That is the ginger. You can see. So it's even two. Let me show you the second one. This is the second ginger. You can see. Both have germinated already, and I just planted them. Let me say probably 2 weeks the ginger, but the garlic, the aloe vera is about 2 to 3 months. And you can see they're really doing good. Okay, thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.